Welcome back to InfoShorts 1. We're delving into the captivating world of artificial intelligence, AI, and its transformative impact on our everyday lives. AI has emerged as a significant driving force, revolutionizing various aspects of our modern world. From voice assistants to autonomous vehicles and personalized recommendations, let's explore how AI is reshaping our daily routines. Voice assistants, such as Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, have become ubiquitous in our lives. These intelligent virtual companions rely on AI technologies, particularly natural language processing algorithms, to comprehend and respond to our commands. They can answer questions, set reminders, play music, and even control smart home devices. The more we interact with them, the more they learn about our preferences, enabling them to provide increasingly tailored and personalized experiences. Voice assistants utilize speech recognition algorithms to convert spoken words into text. They then employ natural language understanding algorithms to interpret the meaning and context of our queries. Through a combination of machine learning and vast amounts of data, voice assistants continually improve their accuracy and responsiveness. Now, let's shift our attention to the realm of autonomous vehicles. AI plays a vital role in enabling these self-driving cars to navigate our roads. Equipped with an array of sensors, cameras, and advanced AI algorithms, autonomous vehicles possess the ability to detect obstacles, interpret traffic conditions, and make real-time decisions. By leveraging machine learning and computer vision, these vehicles are continually learning and adapting to their surroundings, enhancing their capabilities and safety. One of the key components of autonomous vehicles is their ability to perceive the environment. Through sensors such as LiDAR, radar, and cameras, they collect data about their surroundings. AI algorithms then process this data, allowing the vehicles to identify objects, predict their movements, and make decisions accordingly. The more autonomous vehicles operate on the roads, the more data they gather, leading to continuous improvements in their perception capabilities. To navigate roads and make decisions, autonomous vehicles rely on sophisticated AI algorithms. These algorithms analyze sensor data, map information, and real-time traffic data to determine the best course of action. Machine learning techniques allow autonomous vehicles to learn from past experiences and improve their driving behavior over time. As more autonomous vehicles hit the road, they contribute to a shared knowledge base that benefits the entire fleet, leading to safer and more efficient transportation. The promise of autonomous vehicles lies in their potential to revolutionize transportation, making it safer, more efficient, and accessible to all. With AI at the core of their development, they have the potential to reduce accidents caused by human error, optimize traffic flow, and provide mobility options for those who cannot drive, such as the elderly or disabled. Moving on to personalized recommendations, this AI-powered feature has become an integral part of our online experiences. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data about our preferences, behaviors, and browsing history to deliver tailored content and product suggestions. Whether it's streaming platforms, online marketplaces, or social media applications, these AI-driven recommendations enhance our user experience and increase customer engagement. The success of personalized recommendations hinges on AI's ability to analyze and interpret complex patterns in data. These algorithms take into account various factors, such as our past purchases, browsing history, demographic information, and user behavior. By identifying correlations and trends within this data, AI can predict our preferences and offer relevant content or product recommendations. The continuous interaction between users and AI-powered recommendation systems further refines the suggestions provided. Feedback from users, such as ratings, likes, and dislikes, is incorporated into the algorithms, leading to even more accurate and personalized recommendations. This iterative process ensures that the recommendations align more closely with our individual tastes and preferences. While AI brings immense benefits, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications surrounding its use. AI algorithms are not immune to biases present in the data they are trained on. If these biases are not addressed, AI systems can inadvertently perpetuate discriminatory practices. It's vital to ensure transparency, accountability, and fairness in AI systems to mitigate these risks. Researchers and policymakers are actively exploring ways to address these challenges, emphasizing the importance of developing responsible and ethical AI technologies. Transparency and explainability are critical aspects of ethical AI. Users should have visibility into how AI algorithms make decisions and recommendations. Efforts are being made to develop techniques that provide clear explanations for AI-driven decisions, allowing users to understand and question the underlying processes. Furthermore, fairness and inclusivity should be fundamental principles in AI development. Biases in training data should be identified and addressed to ensure that AI systems do not discriminate against certain groups or reinforce existing societal inequalities. Diverse and representative datasets, along with robust evaluation methods, can help minimize biases and promote fairness in AI applications. Looking ahead, the future of AI is both promising and exciting. The integration of AI into various aspects of our lives will continue to expand. Personalized healthcare empowered by AI can lead to more accurate diagnoses, improved treatments, and better patient outcomes. AI can assist doctors in analyzing medical images, predicting disease progression, and identifying potential drug candidates. Additionally, wearable devices and AI algorithms can continuously monitor our health, providing early warnings for potential health issues. Smart cities will leverage AI to enhance urban planning, optimize energy consumption, and improve transportation systems. AI-powered algorithms can analyze data from sensors, cameras, and other sources to make cities more efficient, sustainable, and livable. From reducing traffic congestion to managing resources more effectively, AI can help create smart cities that prioritize the well-being of their inhabitants. AI-powered education can revolutionize the way we learn and acquire knowledge. Adaptive learning platforms can personalize educational content and delivery based on individual student needs, improving engagement and learning outcomes. AI algorithms can also assist teachers in identifying areas where students may need additional support and provide personalized recommendations for further study. Moreover, AI can unleash human creativity by assisting artists, musicians, and writers in generating innovative and inspiring content. AI-powered tools can analyze vast amounts of data, generate new ideas, and assist in the creative process. Collaborations between humans and AI can push the boundaries of creativity, resulting in novel and captivating works of art. As AI continues to advance, it's essential for us to stay informed and engage in conversations about its impact. Understanding the opportunities and challenges associated with AI empowers us to make informed decisions as these technologies become increasingly integrated into our lives. By fostering a dialogue and ensuring that AI is developed and used responsibly, we can shape a future where AI benefits society as a whole. And there you have it, artificial intelligence in everyday life. AI has become an integral part of our lives, revolutionizing how we interact with technology. From voice assistants to autonomous vehicles and personalized recommendations, AI is transforming our daily routines and opening up a world of possibilities. As AI progresses, let's remain curious, informed, and actively participate in shaping the responsible and inclusive future of AI. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more exciting topics on our Science and Technology channel. Thank you for watching InfoShorts 1, and stay curious.